Please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and legs inside the opera box at all times. And please, watch your children.
Welcome, fellow ushers. Remember, all the world's a stage. Are you ready to be an usher? It's 10 minutes till showtime. Are you ready to be an usher? It's 10 minutes till showtime. The audience is gathering and waiting for the show to begin. Let's go backstage where the cast is rehearsing. Oh, he is the maestro.
You gotta get the notes.
Ushers, we need your help. The notes take long. Shine your flashlights and send them back into the pipe organ. It's Ghost Note madness! They're everywhere! Woo!